Good afternoon, guys. Stevie here. Today I'm going to be tying a little olive wetfly, kind of traditional tying. A wee bit of change in the wing, right enough. I'm going to be using a soft tackle for the wing, but in the vise I've got the Fario wetfly hook, size 12, barbless black nickel, and the thread I'll be using is a UTC 80 in black. So I've already pre-waxed the thread, so I'll just take a bed of thread down the shank. We'll just take it down to where the barb would normally be. Cut off the waist. And for the tail I'm using golden pheasant tippet. So just about 4 or 5 fibres. Just tie this in at the second black bit. And for the rib I'm using gold wire. That's small. So just tie the rib in with the tail. Just take this up the body. And cut off the waist. Turn it down, then come back down the hook, back down the shank. And for the body I'm using this trout stalker stuff in golden olive. So just a small pinch. Just stud this on. This is it. And bring the rib up 4 or 5 turns. Catch the rib off. Just wiggle it off. Tidy up any loose ends. Just brush them back. And for the hackle and the wing I'm using this pale yellow white and Brahma cape. So I've already selected the hackles. Just cut off the tip, tie it in tip first, and get the hackle pliers. Just about a turn and a half, I would say. It's nice at that. Just wiggle up through it. Cut off the waist. Tidy up. Could actually fish that fly like that just now. Looks pretty good. But for the wing, same hackle but one of the larger ones for my bottom of the cape. So just take a good pinch, about 1 centimetre, and just roll it in your fingers. So that's what we've got here. This is a wing. So pinch and loop. Just check that. That's looking good. So we'll cut that off, cut off the waist. Tidy up the head. Nice wee neat head. And whip finish. Get a whip finish to it, it's a wee bit tangled up there. cut off the thread, and see a little fibre there. So you can fish this in still waters, and probably the rivers, just swinging wets in the river would work quite nice. So varnish your head. So that's that done. Just a little olive wetfly, no particular name for it, but if you like that, please think of subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button. So thanks for watching guys, cheers, see you on the next one.